Welcome to Silver Ridge Peak. We're here for our favourite animal hunt, and I think we're going to start off with the turkeys. We need to change our equipment though first of all. Oops, sorry, I'm too eager. Change our equipment here, and we're going to go for the bird. That's the one. I do believe we have the caller with us. Just check on that. Yes, I think so. Yes. Alright, so let's get off and go hunt some turkeys. Hey, brand new morning, Silver Ridge Peak, on the hunt for the turkey. That is redhead there. There it is. Yeah, how far were we? Oh, they're gone. Unless it was this guy that was at this zone I shot. And he was on the way in when we were calling. Oh, she's down here already. Oh my God, there's a few. It's two max weights. Still that one up there though. Let's have a look at this. We'll get the 2 miles first, and whoever else we're lucky to get. Bastards are splitting up. Bugger, bugger. Bugger. Gotcha. Gonna get her body shot. We had a few misses though. Do something about that. Another headshot, shoulders, beautiful. That it? Oh no, there's that one down there. Oh, on the foot. Oh, wing body. Yeah, okay. Alright, the boys, the big boys. 2.3, body shot, legs and all. Yeah, 4.31. Total body shot. Awesome. Okay, so we've got a flock of turkeys right in front of us here. I heard them calling, so and here they come. 3 and 6 of them. Try not to get all of them. I think the 2 males, obviously, size wise. That's a max weight, and that's a max weight. Okay. Now let's call them in. Well, the white one's standing out, doesn't it? Shining in the sun. Hey, don't split up too much, guys. Don't want these too far apart. The other one's just there. What's that in the background? That's a bear. It's a bear. So they're splitting apart. What the hell? Where is he? Yeah. Hang on, there's more coming out of the woodwork. It's 2, 3, 4. Oh no, that's right. Why don't you guys come together a bit closer so I don't have to swing the rifle or the shotgun so far. The other guy is taking his time. Alright, last call. And he's running in now. Cool. Nice. Where you going? Didn't clean out the whole lot, but we got the majority of them. We've got a female here. Nice facial chest shot. Got the first male here, gold, 4.26. Wasn't close, well, not too far, but not close either. Another chest headshot. The female here, chest shot. 4.37, gold, chest and legs. And the female here took off really, didn't get anything really vital. They're on the move, here they come. 2 females and a male. There's another one back there. Not the female. Oh, that's the male. Gee, there's a few females. Is there only one male? This one here cut it point blank in flight. In the face. In the face! Right there. That's a full body shot. And the big boy here, 4.32. So 0.1. Oh no, 0.3 below. We got a body shot. Nice coverage. Excellento. Let's go through here. That's not him, is it? Yeah, we got him a couple of times. Oh wow. Oh sugar. Is the dog here, or what's the story with his dog, man? Because a frickin' psycho, what does he want? Maybe he wants dog biscuit. Thanks for letting me do your job, dude. Got it in the ass. If we get a better view. Get your ass in there. Another one coming. Bigger fellow. That's the biggest fellow. It's 3. 7 mil out. Oops. 7 mil. What the hell happened there? No, that wasn't right. It drops up there. That might be the group that left from down here. Oh, the one looks bigger than the 2 there. The hell's that? No 3s. Except for that one. And that one. Just here. Did we drop him? Oh, hot shot. Nice. Look at that. Beautiful. Gold 162. Heart lung. Nice. Can get some. get some bisons. I think that's 4 out of 4. Oh, I really like the 300. Was liver lung. Nice shot. It's going straight for the heart. If it had a bit more penetration, would have got the heart as well. But level 1, I have no idea what that hit. Nothing. Absolutely nothing. Just went for some meat. And then we got stomach liver. Liver saved it. And that was going... might have nicked the heart. Might have nicked the heart on that one. What have we got here? Level 2. Nice long shot. There they are. There he is. So that's 153 minimum. That's all. Okay. Let's try to get both of those. We'll get both. Gotta move over this side because that tree's stuffing me up. That's right where I want to shoot. I think that is a perfect position. That's the bear. He went down on the spot. So this is the little 3. No, that was the big 3. So we got lung. Lung. Now it's a smaller 3. Is this it? Oh no, are you kidding me? It's too far forward. It's not going down. Okay, so it's a following morning and we're still hunting the mountain elk. No, sorry, wrong one. So we'll get him first. What? Are you kidding? Was that too low? Did we get him? Let's have a look. Yeah, we got him. Bit of a hike there. I think that was a bit forward. that zone now. So I've got all 4 of them. Is it 4? Yeah, 4. So I've got all 4. I may lose this zone. So somebody's still there. What? Oh, big boy. Big boy, but anyway. Can't risk it really. Is it still there? Yeah, it's still there. Can't risk it. I'm going to start looking for zones again. There's another one. Where's that? No, that's a feeding zone. Had to get him. Oh, it was a little low. Still got long, but it was a little low. This is the feeding zone. Let's have a look. Let's have a look. Where is it? Just a single. I was going for the heart, but didn't make it. There's a silver too. What you doing, man? Oh, where are we getting? Oh yeah. Stomach intestines. And we've got this one up here. Where the girls are guarding. That was a curious. Oh, that was an ass shot. Intestines. Alright. I'm not risking that. That was a bit high. That was too high. We only got one in this spot, didn't we? One or two? 232. 266, is it? Let's see. What do you mean I'm going down? This shot. Now you're going down, aren't you? Look this one here. Let's get the dog onto it. I think he's gone up this way. Single along from how far? 322. Oh, yeah, I think it was high. Anyway.